Good morning, children. Welcome to our science session. Today we have to learn about that. First lesson we have to complete it. Now we have to go to the second lesson, that is our human body of our body's internal organs. Internal means that is we can't see outside of the body. That is called internal body parts. Mainly we have to know that internal what are the systems are there. That is that nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system. These are some internal organs are there. First of all, we know about that our body internal organs. First of all, our body is made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Yes, our body total made up of tiny building blocks like they are called cells. There are various types of cells. There are different types of cells are there. Cells group together to form a tissue. There are different types of tissues are there in our body. What are they? Our body is made up of tiny building blocks, that is called cells. There are various types of cells. Cells group together form a tissue. There are different types of tissues in our body. Yes, up to here we know that small tiny blocks are called tissue cells. Cells group together. Cells are different types are there, and different cells group together make a tissue. Tissues also have various types of tissues are there. Then the tissues group together make an organ. Yes, these many tissues group together form an organ. That organ means what is that? One is the organ, example brain, heart, kidneys, lungs and stomach are some important organs. They are located inside of the body, that is the internal organs. In our organs, important organs of our body, a group of organs that work together perform a specific function for organ system. Yes. See, look at here. The brain, due to the message to do the what we have to react. Heart. The heart is, what is that? Air taken to the breath through the nose to heart, and blood will supply to the all parts of our body. Kidneys. What are the wastage are there in our body? It is sent to outside through our sweat and urine. We have to send this kidneys and lungs. Lungs will fresh air take inside and bad air sent into outside. That is called carbon dioxide. Fresh air is called oxygen. We have to run our body. Then stomach. What the food we have to live? We have to get energy. What will we do? The stomach, the digestive system, food what we taken through the mouth and food pipe that goes into the stomach. It goes into the small intestine. It's changed into the energy, and it gives us our body to strength. That is the main organs. What is the organs? These organs work together to perform a specific function. These organs work together a specific function, form an organ system. Yes, these are organs are work together that make an organ system. That is that we called. That group of organs work together to perform specific function form an organ system. There are several organ systems are there in our body. Is there? Yes, there. See, once there are several organ systems are there in our body. Some examples I am saying: the digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeletal system, nervous system. These are the some more examples of our organ systems. See, in this chapter we have to learn about these types of organs systems. Just you see that we have to learn about this organ system in our chapter. Yes, now we have to start. First one is that respiratory system. We have to learn about now. The respiratory system help us to breathe. That respiratory system help us to breathe. That is, breathe means you know that take into the air inside and giving out to the the bad air outside. We are taking inside the air, inside fresh air. We are giving outside of the bad air. That is called breathe. And second one, provide the oxygen various parts of our body. Yes, it provides the where and then we are taking the breathe, that air, fresh air. We have to take the air, the provide oxygen various parts of our body. It provides to send to the oxygen. The fresh air called oxygen, we are taking that oxygen, we are giving outside the carbon dioxide. The fresh air like called oxygen, sent to the providing to the all for various parts of our body. Then third one, release energy from food we eat. What is that? It consists release energy from the food what we eat. Yes, in that lunch or breakfast time we have to take in the food that release into the energy from food we eat. Then we have to learn about the parts of respiratory system. What are the parts are there in our respiratory system? We have to know that. That is it consists, it means respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. How many? Nose, windpipe and lungs. Lungs how many? This right lungs have two sides, left and right side, and rib cages, left side rib cage, right side rib cage is there. This is called its respiratory system. This consists with these is about the systems. In our respiratory system is that consists nose, windpipe and lungs. Next, it is that what it is doing. The respiratory system, we breathe air through our nose. We breathe air through our nose. After that, the air enters through the external opening. The air enters the external opening called nose. It enters the nose. Two sides the holes are there, that is called nostrils. To let the air enter into the nasal cavity. That is, second one is we breathe. First one we breathe in air through our nose. Second one, the air enters through the external openings called nostrils. To let the air enter into the nose nasal cavity. Here nasal cavity, and the hair present, the nose hair present in the nostrils trap any dust particles. When the air enters the nostrils, these holes are called nostrils. The opening with nose and the opening that it enters the nostrils, it is there some hair, small hairs are there. That is stop to dust. That is stop to dust particles. That is stop to any dust particles present in the inhaled air. Present in the inhaled air. What we are taking air through the nostril. In that nostril, in that air, any dust particles are there? No. In the nasal cavity, small air is there? No. It is stopped to the dust particles. The air passes through the windpipe. Next one, that air passes through the windpipe. It enters into the lungs. These are the steps of the respiratory system. See one more time. The respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. That we breathe air through our nose. Second step is the air enters through the external openings are called nostrils. Let the air enters into the nasal cavity. Third one is that air present in the nostrils trap any dust particles. If any, we are taking the air, in that air any dust particles are there, means the nasal cavity. Nostrils in that presence in the small air, it is stopped to dust to enter the windpipe. That air passes through the windpipe, it enters into the lungs. This is the process of what we are daily doing, breathing. That we have to take the air starting external parts. Opening is the nose. It enters the nostrils and it is have a nasal cavity. And that next one is that air presence in the nostrils to trap any dust particles. Next, the air passes through the windpipe. It enters into the lungs. These are the daily we are taking the breath. These system, these parts, these steps are daily we have to do. Then lungs. After that, enter the lungs. That lungs are spongy, elastic, bag-like structures protected by rib cage. How it is the lungs are there? Lungs are spongy, elastic, bag-like structures protected by the rib cage. These are carries, bags, organs that are present in the chest cavity. Where it is located? It is located, look at the textbook, page number 17. See, it is that we have to take the air through the nose and enter the windpipe, and it enters, passes through the windpipe, at least enter the lungs. In the lungs, that these are the windpipe, this is right side lung, this is the left side lungs. Two rib cages are there in our lungs. It is enters to the, it is how it is like, it is the structure. What is that? Spongy, bag-like, elastic bag-like structure. It protects us by the rib cage. It protected by the rib cage. These are the respiratory system in our body. And sides. How it is the breathing system is there? There are paired organs. There are two, so the right side and left side, paired organs that presents in the chest cavity. One each is the left, one is the, and one other one is the right side. The air we breathe in rich oxygen. What the air we are taking to rich in oxygen? The lungs absorb the oxygen. There, the air that we breathe out of the lungs contains carbon dioxide. Yes, what are the air pressure we have to take in that is rich in oxygen? We have to take inside to breathe. And what are the air we are giving outside? That is the carbon dioxide. We have to send it to outside through our nose only. We are taking the air inside. Fresh air is called oxygen. And then next we have to giving outside the air is called carbon dioxide. First of all, in our lesson, this is our respiratory system. Now we have to learn. You must draw the respiratory system through. I am sending through the worksheet the question, and you must buy the textbooks. This is the second lesson we have to start it about that our body, its internal organ system. What is that? Cell make tissues, tissues make organs, organs make organ system, organ system makes two organism. This is the one organism. These are the total systems are there. Now first one we have to learn about that our respiratory system. It is that mainly we have to giving the it consists nose, windpipe and lungs. So we have to breathe through our nose. It is goes to the nostrils and nose cavity, and that air is present in our nostrils. It is avoid to dust particles in the air. Then we have to send it to the air through the windpipe, and in last at least it finally reach to the lungs. This is the process of